Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the prediction for the Taurus year 2021. So let's begin with the month of January. Purity. This actually indicates new beginnings, and this is a card of first snow, which gives the sign of fresh air and relaxation, and you need to very much relax, leave out the negativity, which will be very much essential for the month of January for you guys. Do not carry on any backlogs of 2020 in 2021, which will really help if you keep those negative aspects in 2020 itself. So the start of this month is actually good for you. There are kind of some positivity in some kind of opportunities about to happen down the line in the month of January. Let's have a look for month of Feb. Illumination. So this card is of the rising mist, where you will be getting ample of opportunities in month of February. Do grab the opportunities. Do not rush into taking decisions. Check all the aspects, like in all the direction, and then come to some decision. But wait until you get all the opportunities and then take the final decision in the month of Feb. So month of Feb is also for some investments if you want to proceed with, and you will get good results. Let's have a look for month of March. Month of March for Taurus is a month of success. You will be, as I said, in month of Feb there will be quite a good amount of investments done. You can go ahead and do the investment, which will definitely give you success and results in the month of March. So you can proceed with it. Like, more further opportunities are again expected in month of March, and you will also get a lot of clarity in deciding what is to be done next. And also I would request you to do not rush into taking any decisions. Just hold back a little and just observe things, how it is going on, and then finalize what is to be done. Let's have a look for the month of April. April for Taurus. Taking risk. Yes, you are definitely getting success in your you will be definitely getting in your opportunities coming ahead. And there are multiple, as I said, the opportunities are coming ahead. You will receive success, and take risk. I would really, if you think, if you feel it is a very good opportunity and has a some risky kind of attitude or nature, do take risk. This will really help you to fly out very well. April is a really good month for you, and take action on whatever is required. April is a month to take risk. Also you can go ahead with the investments. There is also a progress in benefits, lot of benefits in investments, which you will be receiving all the benefits, and you can proceed with the investments as well. Let's have a look at the month of May for Taurus. Blessings. Again, all the cards are coming connected, I feel. Blessings. All the hard work, investments, or investments done in past will be beneficial, and you'll get the good fruits and flowers out of it. And any job or any deal done in the month of May will definitely give you good results. So please go ahead. If you feel there's a good opportunity, do sign the deal, do proceed with your business deals and all. That will really help in month of May. Let's have a look for the month of June. Month of June, pleasure. So here you are actually receiving lot of guidance from the spirit to all the support and guidance to proceed ahead, to grow ahead. As I can see stairs, green stairs here, which is an indication of growing up and with full of opportunities and support. But watch out while climbing, I would suggest. As you know, there is a factor of observance coming in. You need to observe before really taking big actions, I must say. So spirit is actually telling you to proceed ahead. Let's have a look for the month of July. Flow. Yes. So as you receive all the opportunities, guidance, uh, this card of flow really tells you move ahead. This is a moving card. You need to move. This is a time to take all the actions and proceed no actions in, it might be your relation as well. So not business deals in relations or any new projects upcoming. You need to take actions and move ahead. Moving ahead and deciding things will be a major factor in the month of July. So you need to really work on it. Let's have a look on month of August. Fulfillment. Now this is a fruit plant card where this resembles uh, you getting the results, good results. You will be getting good results after a lot of hard work which is happening all these months. August is the month, very good month, where you will get all the results, any all the benefits from all the investments done. And again, lot of opportunity, abundance coming in your way. It will prosper you like anything. Any fertility related issues will also be resolved, and chances of conceiving are also high at this time. So if you have planning, so you can proceed ahead. Let's have a look for month of September. Abundance. Now I must really say these are really linking up very well. And abundance, this is a card of wildflower, which specifies moving ahead, freely, happily, and just to believe in yourself, believe in the growth what you are getting. Move ahead. Moving is really a major factor, as we have got the card for the flow as well. You need to move in order to activate the abundance and prosperity coming into your life. And so this is very much important in the month of September. Your movement should be on, whether it's a movement of money, movement of any value to relations, or respecting or your job, or valuing your work, which will be very much essential in the month of September. Let's have a look in the month of October. New beginnings. As you move ahead, you will receive new beginnings. You will actually like what is coming into your way, and what will actually get in bring you things to for your growth in life. Focusing on your goals will definitely bring a lot of new stuff for you, and will definitely open new opportunities and attract a lot of positivity. So spirits, what I feel, spirits are till now advising to one thing is keep moving, and that will be very much beneficial, which will lead to good success, abundance, fulfillment. All your wishes will be coming true. And just you need to act. Acting is a major factor. Like you need to act and take decision, decide. And now it's not the time to step back. This will really change. October is a month which will really change your life, and will attract a lot of positivity. Let's have a look on the month of November. Security. Yes, these all factors will definitely bring a sense of security into your life in the month of November. You will be feeling satisfied with what you have done till now, and for sure everything will be very good. And you need to trust and believe yourself. And now here you can relax a little. But moving moving ahead is also a major thing that has to be done by you in the month of November. Let's have a look on month of December. Chaos, healing chaos. Now in case of any workload happening, coming towards at the year end, you will automatically be having messed up things around yourself, and you will be there are chances environment getting little bad, but you have that strength to heal yourself and come out of all the chaos what has happened, and definitely you will be out of it. So just be little careful in the month of December for 2021 Taurus. And let's see what is the overall outcome. Purification, yes, again, lot of prosperity, opportunities, and money flowing in. You need to just take right actions on right time. So this was the prediction for Taurus for the year of 2021.